Hello every superstar, welcome back to my channel. This is Alvin, and today I'm gonna show you a pair of mcqueen. It's just on the desk. It's a classic model with white leather on the surface and black suede at the back, and we can see the words is gold. The Alexander McQueen is always the most popular model in this world. Many young people like it, not just because of the design, but also it can make you look like taller, like 3 to 4 centimeters taller. And next I will show you the other part. First, let's look at the suede, the black suede at the back. So we can see the words is gold, and maybe the light effect, it looks like dark gold, but when I straight the words towards to the light, it will be light gold words. And next, let me show you the side of the shoes. First, let's look at the holes. It's very smoothly. Look, and the stitching job is also very good. Check by your own eyes. And then let's look at the leather. It is the calf skin, it's the real leather. But if you get the pair with the industrial leather, it will very hard when you touch it. But if it is the real leather, for example the calf skin, it will be very smoothly, very soft. And then let's look at the tongue. The words on tongue, yeah, that's the color I wanted. Yeah, the light gold words. And the tongue is very soft, comfortable, very soft. If the tongue is hard, then it will hurt your foot. But the tongue, if it is very comfortable, then when you wear the shoes, it will be very comfortable. It will not hurt your foot. And then let's check the shoelaces. It's fat, not the thin ones. And you can see the stitching job. Yeah, it's also very good. Just to check by your own eyes. Look. And next, let me show you the sole. Okay, first let's look at the words. Look, it's very clear. And the sole is white, the same color as the surface. But if you get the shirt model, the words will be damaged and the sole will be like gray or turn to be yellow. And then let me show you the dust bag. You can see the paint. Look, it's no damage, and the color of the dust bag is creamy. And check the stitching job, also good. And of course we have the Alexander McQueen words at the back. As you can see, the words no damaged, and it's very clear. Yeah, check the words by your own eyes. Yeah, check it. And then beside the dust bag, we get the shopping bag. Yeah, the words of the shopping bag, as you can see, is very clear, also no damaged. And the color of the dust bag is creamy, not white. When you touch the words, it's touchable. And the lines here, no damage, top quality. And of course at the back, we get the Alexander McQueen mark. Look, mark, clear, no damaged. Maybe the light effect makes the dust bag like the white, but it's creamy. And the red lines here, it's also good. We make every details to be perfect. And then let me show you the accessories. These are the accessories will come with the McQueens. First, let's look at the label here. You can see the words, the size is 38. You can see the words, details. And then let me show you the special laces. It's the same ones as the ones on shoes, also top quality. And then the card, the box, also get the mark. Yeah, it's no damaged, very clear. And the card and the envelope, look, the words no damaged. It also have the mark at the back, and the card. Everything will be perfect, just like what you see in the video is what you will get. And then the receipt, top. The most important thing is the receipt. Just check details by your own eyes, because I have no other words to tell you. What you see is what you will get. Yeah, good. And then you can see the box. The box is also creamy. The words is touchable, and the lines no damage. Top. The video is going to the end. I have shown you the box, the accessories, the shoes, all the things. If you are the big seller, come to me. This is the things you will get. Okay, this is Alvin. the video is going to be over. Let me see you in the next. Describe me.